I'd like a song about animals
Nice.
in a jazz cave.
What's a jazz cave?
Have you ever seen a panda play a clarinet?
Have you ever seen a crab play a pair of castanets? If you haven't, then it doesn't mean it hasn't happened yet.
Have you ever seen a panda play a clarinet? Have you ever seen an octopus on a glockenspiel with the top octave played by a cockatiel?
She's only got one beak, but she's got a rocking feel.
You might not believe me yet, but I promise you it's real at the jazz cave.
At the jazz cave.
Have you ever seen a cute little kitten use a tambourine as a trampoline and still bang the beat perfectly in time as the song plays?
If you haven't, you still might get a chance one day.
And it's likely that you've seen a camel spit in a fight. But have you ever heard a camel spit lyrics on the mic? Have you ever heard piano power ballads played with pause?
Causing rapturous
You can
applause.
see all that and more in the jazz cave.
Wherever you're from, none of it matters in here. Just give us a song. Anybody can play here. Wherever you're from, none of it matters in here. Just give us a song. All animals safe here. No one gets chased here. Nobody's prey here. The only thing tasty is the rhythm.
The jazz cave is a special place for us all. The tiny and tall, the big and the small.
What about the in-between sizes?
Well, yeah, I meant everyone on a kind of gradual sliding
I
scale.
got it. On the savannah, I'd be lunch to you.
But in here we collab on a funky tune.
Under firefly lights hanging from stalactites.
We're putting on a show like birds of paradise at the jazz cave.
At the jazz cave.
You can swim in underwater or you can come round the back way.
There's an owl on the door.
Do you know the secret handshake? Fist bump, pancake, quick slap, flip flap, this way, that way. Now you know the secret handshake. Family, jazz cave, more than just bandmates. Freedom of expression in the session, it's a blank page. And now it's time to let the band play.
Quiet please backstage. Wherever you're from, none of it matters in here. Just give us a song. Anybody can play here. Wherever you're from, none of it matters in here. Just give us a song. All animals safe here. No one gets chased here. Nobody's prey here. The only thing tasty is the rhythm.